What's up, Amazon shoppers? I'm really excited to share this with you. I have been thinking about buying a NuFACE Trinity for a long time, and I finally made the plunge. And let me tell you, it's awesome. So let's unbox it and see what's in here. When you open it up, you see that you have the device in there. So we're gonna take it out. There is the NuFACE Trinity. It's so sleek looking, so cool. It has a little charging base here. This is a place to hold it, but it also doubles as a charging base, and it comes with a charger. One of the things I love is that it actually is labeled NuFACE. So it plugs in here right at the back, just like that. You put it in and you can plug it in. It's got a collapsing plug, which I love. It's great for storage. So there we go, we've got that guy. We're gonna take this out of the way here. There's the top. Now, if you look into the box, it says turn your skin on. That is exactly what it does. The first thing you get is the NuFACE Aqua Gel activator. It's hydrating. It has hyaluronic acid in it as well as glacial water, so it's very moisturizing and very sustaining for it. An adapter so that you can make sure that you have the correct adapter for whatever part of the world you are in that you would use. The kit also comes with the silk cream for extra moisturizing after a treatment, and it has this really great application brush that you can use. So the great thing about the NuFACE Trinity is it's microcurrent. It's a low-level electrical current, and it sends waves of microcurrent through your face as soon as there's a contact. You turn it on right here. I don't know if you could hear that beep. That's full intensity, and you can adjust the power button with a beep to turn it down, to make it more intense, and to make it completely intense. As well, up here, there's a boost button, and I don't know if you could hear that, but it actually boosts the intensity. Now, when you're using this, as you put pressure on it, you're going to hear a beep. When you hear that beep, that tells you to move on to the next area for treatment. This is really, really cool. It's a workout for your face. Another great thing you get when you make a purchase of the NuFACE is you get the NuFACE app, the smart app that you put on your phone, which allows you to customize your treatments, and it will work with your phone and with the device itself to give you the best treatment possible. A couple tips for this: make sure that you clean your face with an oil-free cleanser. You don't want to get a buildup of oily substances on the microcurrent device. As well, it's good to start with clean skin. This is all of the moisturizer that you're going to need when you're using this. And believe me, you want to use the moisturizer, this Aqua Gel activator, because otherwise it doesn't feel as good and it doesn't slide as well. So this NuFACE Trinity Plus is the newest one they have on the market. It comes with this starter kit with everything that you see here, and it is a great way to help blur those fine lines and wrinkles. I find that it makes my face look tighter, more lifted over time. I've been using it for a couple months now, and I love the results I'm getting. This NuFACE Trinity Plus, the starter kit, is absolutely a family favorite at my house.